Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. We have another heat wave at the moment, just for a couple of days. What's the best thing you can have in a heat wave? Yes, of course, ice cream. I did manage to get my own ice cream maker. Finally, so happy. I've wanted one for a long time. The first one I've tried was pistachios. Pistachios are one of my favorite things to eat, so makes sense. But it turned out so good, guys, like proper gelato. Oh my god, really good. Of course, there are pictures on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and the video on YouTube will be unwrapped, but I will take you through the process step by step. And I do hope you enjoy this, guys, and I do hope you try to make it. And if you do, don't forget to tag me, because I would love to see your creations. Of course, as always, if you're not one of my subscribers yet and you enjoy this video, please do subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And tap that little bell, because now you get notifications every time we put a video up. I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, don't forget, stay safe and go break an egg. So we have here 150 grams of brown sugar, about 70 grams of pistachios that have been crushed in the blender, and 150 milliliters of full fat milk, and we're going to let them simmer just for a bit until the sugar has all melted, and then we're going to let it cool, and then we're going to put it in the fridge to get ready for the ice cream. I'm so excited about all this. I cannot wait to try it. I am beyond excited. So stay tuned. So remember that milk from this morning? It's in here. It's been cooling down. And we are adding 300 milliliters of double cream to it. Okay. Almond extract. And let's do about 2 tablespoons of this amazing pistachio cream, which has been in the fridge, so everything has to be cold when you make ice cream. This is the best stuff found in Costco. And now we're going to fold this in slowly. This is going to be our ice cream here. Oh my god, it tastes absolutely delicious. It smells delicious, sorry. Absolutely incredible it is. Pour all this loveliness into the ice cream machine. But don't worry, if you don't have an ice cream machine, you can just whip this up. And just freeze it in batches, so do like a thin layer in your bowl first. Put that in the freezer for like 10-15 minutes and then add the rest. That's why you'll avoid any chance of ice in the ice cream. But I'm going to use my ice cream machine. So, alright guys, so my ice cream machine is ready. I'm going to pour it in. Here we go. Ice cream in the making. I'm gonna let it roll for half an hour. My ice cream will be ready. If you don't have an ice cream machine, you can just freeze it. Yeah. But yeah, I'll come back to you with the final result.